Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch, I speak stocks. Today is Money Making Monday, January the 10th, and in today's video, I have two plays for you. These are SP plays, in and out, grab and go, one and move. Do not overstay your welcome. Before I go into the plays, let me delve into Friday's recap of the markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down 0.013% on Friday, sitting at 36,281, the Dow. The NASDAQ, they closed down 0.96% at 14,935. The NAS is below 15K, key indicator, 15K. Apple closed up for a change, 0.10% at $172.17. Apple. Let's jump right into it. Dave's play today is BBLG, not BBIG. BBLG. The stock is up 49% at 505 on no news. The higher day thus far in the pre is 515. If this one retracts below 475, this might be a no-go today, BBLG. This one is spikeable. For example, on November the 2nd, the stock went from 464 all the way to 712. 712 is their 52-week high. 464 to 712. Also, on or about November the 15th, the stock went from $3.55 to $6.47. $3.55 to $6.47 on a volume of 8.6 million. Okay, let's continue. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap of 41 million. They have a low float of 3 million. 70% of the float are held by insiders, no institution. Shorts has 1% of the float. They have a total of 3K in cash. Most of my subscribers, if not all, have more cash than them. 3K, very poor. Their total debt is a whopping 13 million. Be careful with this one. This one is on the verge of bankruptcy. Their current ratio is sitting at 0.00. I've never seen this current ratio before. BBLG. Be careful, in and out real quick. Do not overstay. You're welcome. Let's move on to stock number 2, Dave's bonus play. Dave's bonus play today is also a SP play. In and out, grab and go. PSTI. PSTI is up 23% at 181 thus far in the pre. The higher day, 199 at the recording of this video. If this one retracts below 155, this might be a no-go today. The company came up with news. Go ahead and read the news on your own time, your own term. This one is based out of Israel, and it's in the biotech space, okay? Let's get the tires. PSTI wears a market cap of 73 million. They have 28 million in the float. 12% are held by insiders. 14% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 1% of the float. They have a total of 61 million in cash and a total debt of 24 million, bringing them to a healthy current ratio of 6.06. This one won't be going bankrupt any day soon. PSTI. Their cash per share is 1.89. Okay, please put a stock on ACY today. ACY has spikeability. Go ahead and check out their historicals, okay? That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Do not forget to follow me on Twitter @DuckyTeeth for my stock alerts. In the meantime, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not trade more than you're willing to lose. And when you see some profits, please take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you when I see you. Dave Natch. I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account,
Check out my Webull link below. You'll get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is $100. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for risk averse. All right, thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out. Dave Natch, I speak stocks. Today is Tuesday, September the 29th.
Yeah, Dave, yeah. Today I want to stream it.
These trade well.
What are you going to take pictures?
These are spent.
Yeah, delete that stuff out.
That's it for today. I'll see you in the weekend this afternoon, all right? First one is our next first. Dave Natch, I'm out for
T-Mobile.
Welcome back to Dave Newell's channel. Don't forget to hit that like. Please subscribe and share.
To listen to their words. One evening he did hear the ox bemoaning to the ass the hardness of his lot. I do labor pulling the plow from morning until night, no matter how hot the day, or how tired my legs, or how the bow doth chafe my neck, still must I work. But you are a creature of leisure. You are trapped with a colorful blanket and do nothing more than carry our master about where he wishes to go. When he goes nowhere, you do rest in the green grass all the day. Now the ass, in spite of his vicious heels, was a goodly fellow and sympathized with the ox. My good friend, he replied, you do work very hard, and I would not ease your lot. Therefore, will I tell you how you may have a day of rest. In the morning, when the slave comes to fetch you to the plow, lie upon the ground and bellow much, that he may say you are sick and cannot work. So the ox took the advice of the ass, and the next morning the slave returned to the farmer and told him the ox was sick and could not pull the plow. Then, said the farmer, hitch the ass to the plow, for the plowing must go on. All that day, the ass, who had only intended to help his friend, found himself compelled to do the ox's task. When night came and he was released from the plow, his heart was bitter, and his legs were weary, and his neck was sore where the bow had chafed it. The farmer lingered in the barnyard to listen. The ox began first. "You are my good friend. Because of your wise advice, I have enjoyed a day of rest." "And I," retorted the ass, "and like many another simple-hearted one who starts to help a friend and ends up by doing his task for him. Hereafter you draw your own plow, for I did hear the master tell the slaver, 'Butcher, were you sick again?' I wish he would, for you are a lazy fellow." Thereafter they spoke to each other no more. This ended their friendship. "Canst thou tell the moral to this tale, Rodan?" "'Tis a good tale," responded Rodan, "but I see not the moral." "I thought not that you would, but it is there, and simple too. Just this: if you desire to help thy friend, do so in a way that will not bring thy friend's burdens upon thyself." I had not thought of that. It is a wise word. I wish not to assume the burdens of my sister's husband. But tell me, you lend to many. Do not the borrowers repay? Mathon smiled the smile of one whose soul is rich with much experience. "Could a loan be well made if the borrower cannot repay? Must not the lender be wise and judge carefully whether his gold can perform a useful purpose to the borrower and return to him once more? Or whether it will be wasted by one unable to use it wisely and leave him without his treasure, and leave the borrower with a debt